Alright folks, buckle up. Today we're diving into a story that's 10% automotive passion and 90% what was he thinking? Meet Joe James. Joe bought his absolute dream car, a 2023 BMW M4 Competition. Now, usually when you buy a dream car, you take it for a spin. Joe? His car decided to have a full-blown barbecue just 2 hours after delivery. He bought it from a Copart auction for $48,000. It had minor accident damage, totally fixable. But 2 hours after it arrived at his house, some random arsonist decided to end the dream. And here's the kicker. Joe had no insurance. Why? Because he's young, and getting commercial insurance for a salvage title car sitting in a driveway is harder than finding an honest politician. He watched his $48,000 investment turn into a campfire because he didn't even have a fire extinguisher nearby. Talk about a bad day at the office. Let's talk science. Most people see a burnt car and see scrap. Joe saw a puzzle. But fire is a cruel mistress. He discovered that the aluminum parts, like the suspension towers, literally melted onto the steel bolts. Aluminum melts at 600 degrees Celsius, while steel holds out until 1300 degrees Celsius. This created a nightmare weld where everything was fused together. Watching him try to move this car was like watching a comedy of errors. The suspension was so destroyed he was afraid the wheels would fall off and ruin the few carbon fiber bits left. He had to cut the electric seats out with a circular saw. Why? Because the wiring harness was fried and the seats were stuck over the mounting bolts. If you ever wanted to know what $100,000 of frustration looks like, it's Joe with a power tool in a pile of soot. Joe's plan? Buy a second crashed M4 to save the burnt one. It's automotive necromancy. He found a donor car that hit a tree so hard the dashboard moved into the engine bay, but the carbon fiber roof was intact. A new roof from BMW cost $7,600, so this was a massive win. He had to cut away the entire front end of his burnt car. He discovered the passenger side chassis was literally dissolved by the heat. He used a reciprocating saw to peel back layers of metal like an onion. To fix it, he sourced a front-end clip from a BMW i4, yes, an electric car, because the chassis legs are identical. He used oxide primer, that bright red stuff, as the first line of defense against rust. This isn't just a repair, it's a structural heart transplant. Joe started doing napkin math on eBay. A used engine, $14,000. Transmission, another $14,000. Carbon fiber trunk, $690. He estimated he needed $10,000 in parts just to get the basics. But modern BMWs are basically rolling supercomputers. The wiring harness alone is a $5,500 headache. He even had to buy special BMW structural adhesive. One tube of this glue cost $270. Why glue? Because you can't weld aluminum to steel. They use rivets and this high-tech space glue. Joe, being the DIY king, didn't have the special tools for the rivets, so he used a grinder to make slots in the bolt heads and turned them with a flathead screwdriver. It's backyard engineering at its finest, but hey, if it works, it works. After cutting and gluing came the cleaning. Fire leaves a residue that gets into every microscopic pore. Joe was in there with a wire brush, sandblasting the interior and vacuuming up ash like a man possessed. He even found a flood in the floorboards, not from rain, but from the fire department's hoses. He had to drain gallons of fireman's soup out of the chassis. He installed sound deadening, ran the main power cable from the trunk to the front, and meticulously cleaned every ground point. In a BMW, if your ground is weak because of paint or soot, the car will have more ghosts in the machine than a haunted house. He finally got the new dashboard in, the HVAC box, which was previously a melted puddle of plastic, and the HUD display. The moment of truth. He swapped the engine from the donor car. He was worried rain had gotten into the donor engine because the oil cap was missing, but the oil came out clean. Insert engine start sound effect. It fired up. Joe James took a car the world called junk and rebuilt it with his own two hands. He saved thousands by parting out the donor car, selling the rear bumper for $700 and the diff for $2,700. He turned a $100,000 disaster into a masterpiece of resilience. The lessons: 1. Get insurance before the car arrives. 2. Buy a fire extinguisher. 3. Never tell Joe James it's impossible. He's either the bravest man in the car community or the most insane. But looking at that Alpine white M4 now, I think we all know the answer. Just maybe don't park it outside tonight, Joe, yeah? Is it genius or absolute madness to rebuild a burnt BMW M4 with zero insurance coverage? Watch until the end to see the stunning transformation and judge for yourself.